Hey there, bread lovers. Have you ever craved fresh homemade bread but realized you are out of yeast? Or maybe you just want a quicker, easier way to bake bread? Well, you are in luck. Today I am going to show you how to make soft, fluffy, delicious bread without yeast. That's right, no waiting for hours, no complicated steps, just simple ingredients and amazing results. Whether you are a beginner or a baking pro, this recipe is perfect for you. So grab your mixing bowl and let's bake the easiest bread you will ever make. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Let's get started. Ingredients you will need 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup warm milk or water, 1 tablespoon sugar or honey, 1 tsp salt, 1.5 tsp baking powder, 1 or 2 tablespoon oil or melted butter. There are some step-by-step instructions you should follow. Number 1. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, mix flour, sugar, salt and baking powder well. Number 2. Add wet ingredients. Slowly pour in warm milk or water and oil while stirring. Mix until it forms a soft dough. Add a little extra flour if sticky. Number 3. Knead the dough. Knead for 7 to 5 minutes until smooth and stretchy. Cover with a cloth and rest for 10 minutes. No long waiting. Number 4. Shape the bread. Roll the dough into a log or round shape. Place it on a greased pan or baking dish. Number 5. Bake to perfection. Oven method. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 25 to 30 minutes until golden. Stove method. Cook in a covered pan on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway. Number 6. Check if done. Tap the bread. If it sounds hollow, it's ready. Let it cool for 5 minutes before slicing. Tips for best results. Use fresh baking powder for best rise. For extra flavor, add herbs, garlic or cheese to the dough. If dough is too sticky, dust hands with flour while kneading. Why this recipe works? No yeast, no waiting for dough to rise. Work with basic kitchen ingredients, can be made without an oven. And just like that, you have made perfect homemade bread without yeast. Look at that soft, fluffy texture. This bread is great for sandwiches, toast, or just eating fresh with butter. Yum! If you loved this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy cooking ideas. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite way to eat bread. With jam, as garlic bread? Tell me below. Thanks for baking with me today. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye bye.